Guys, welcome back. So you guys saw the board that I was doing, and so this is my board that I've been working on, and I think we came up with the conclusion that this is actually spalted walnut, and it's really a dark board. It's a beautiful board. I love it. It's just not gonna work for what I want. So let me show you. This is what I want to put on this board. This is what I want carved on my charcuterie board or serving tray, whichever you'd like to call it. And then I wanted to fill this with black resin once it's carved. And this is just such a dark board that I'm technically not happy with it. Bottom line, it's a beautiful board. It's just not going to work for what I wanted to do. So let me show you what I did. I went yesterday right here in town to a local swap meet. It's Bucky's Swap Meet. And we have bought boards from them before, but then for some reason, for a while, he didn't have any. So I thought, I'm going to go down there and see what he's got. And oh my goodness, I was in hog heaven. He had some beautiful cedar boards. So I bought two boards. I think they were 5 foot tall, 5 foot?
5 or 6.
5 or 6 foot long by this wide. So what we did is we did the transfer process. Actually, Eric did it. I printed it up. And this is going to look much better. So what I'm going to do, I sanded it all down. We put some finish on it to kind of seal up the board.
Straight up and down.
Straight up and down. Yeah. There we go. And then, I don't know, you can see this. This is a nice little hole right there. A knot that I cleaned out and everything. And this I'm going to fill with the same green that I used on the walnut board. But I'm going to do that at the same time I do the black. So we're going to pour the green and the black at the same time. So the next part, Eric got this all transferred on. And again, this is what I want. I want it black resin. So when we come back, Eric is going to start the carving on this. And then after he's done with that, we'll go on to the filling of the resin. So thanks for sticking with us, guys. Sorry for the change, but I just wasn't happy with it, so I changed my mind. So anyway, we'll be back in just a minute.
Hey guys, all right, so it's my turn. So we went ahead and did the transfer, the inkjet transfer off camera, because you guys, I've done that a lot lately. So again, I want to have my artwork in front of me just in case some lines I need to know where they're at. And then once we did the inkjet transfer, then I put a coat of this clear on there just so it doesn't smear while I'm carving. I've got the carving liner bit in, and it is it's set at about 1/8 of an inch. We'll see if that's right. Won't know till we get to carving it. And all right, let's get it done. Meg. So let's see.
Meg.
Let's turn the lights
Magnum.
on. Meg. Say hi.
Mag. Magnum.
Meg. Yes, Meg. Keep me warm. Good boy. All right. So let's get this going here. I'm just going to the carving liner. I'm just going to do my really fine detail around the trees and some of this stuff in the fish, and then I'm going to switch over to my profile bit, because the profile bit will do most of it, but some of the small detail I want to do with the carving liner. Here we go. Okay, I think that's about all I need as far as the super fine detail with that carving liner. I think everything else I can do with my with my profile bit. So we'll be right back. All right, so I've got the profile bit in, and I'm set at about 3/16, and so some of this will vary. I'll probably be picking up the base here and there where I need to get in narrow. Let's get it done. Alright guys, so that is my first cut. Now I'm going to set it deeper, and I'm going to go in there and kind of widen those lines out so I don't have to get so close with my cleanup bit. I'm just checking my battery and I'm down to 1 bar, so I'm going to swap batteries. We'll be right back. All right, guys and gals. There's that. Now I'm going to put in my probably my 60 degree and go back and take out the rest of this stuff. We'll be right back. Okay, folks, I got my 60 degree bit in and it's set at somewhere around 1/4 inch. So now I'm just going to take out all of this black stuff on the inside. Here we go. Dogs all over the place.
Nellie, oh look, Nellie's smiling. Nellie, girl!
Give her now.
You're so cute.
Give her now. Oh, smile. You little wolf dog. Smile. All right. Okay, guys, so let me explain something here. I did something that probably or may be confusing for some of you. That was done with the 60 degree bit. Normally for this type of situation I would use the 90, not the 60. I don't normally use the 60 for taking out background. I could have used probably about 80% of that would have been fine with the 90, but there was a couple places that were a little tight for the 90, so I went ahead and did the whole thing with the 60. And when you're doing this with a 60, you have to shrink your circular motion. Otherwise, you're going to leave a lot of high spots. In this particular instance, since Vicky's going to fill this whole thing with black resin, it won't really matter too much. But I still don't want any high spots because that black resin is going to fill in there. And I still don't want any high spots when she goes to sand off the excess of the black resin. Hopefully, she can pour that black resin to the point where there won't be hardly anything left to sand off. So she's just going to fill that cavity. But anyway, that's pretty much it for my part. Next, you're going to see Vicki doing her fill. We'll be right back. Hey guys, you know what? This video's running a little bit long. It's cold. In Vicky's shop, we were going to do the pour, but it's cold. It's raining outside. Crazy weather. So we're going to shut the video down at this point. The next video on this project, we'll get it wrapped up. Vicki will do the pour. We'll get the final finish on there. So sorry about that. We thought we was going to get it all on this. We thought we were going to get it all on this video, but it just didn't work out that way. The weather's not cooperating. Anyway, so thanks again for watching. We appreciate it. If you have any questions, email me directly, eric@makeawoodsign.com. And we love you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.